In this video, I'll show you how to delete a partition from a USB flash drive in Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. Now right-click the Windows button. Select Disk Management. In Disk Management, find your USB flash drive by checking its storage size. Make sure you select the correct USB flash drive. Right-click the partition you want to delete. Select Delete Volume. A warning message will appear. Click Yes to confirm. Wait for Windows to delete the partition. When the process is complete, the partition will change to unallocated. That's it. This is how you can delete a partition from a USB flash drive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.